AB and CD are respectively the smallest and the longest sides of the quadrilateral ABCD. Show that angle A is greater than angle C and angle B is greater than angle D. For this sum, I need to join AC, and I will mark this as angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4. Now it is given AB is the smallest, so let me mark that. Here I write AB is smallest and CD is the longest. So CD longest. To start with, let me take the triangle ABC. That's this triangle ABC. So in this triangle ABC, AB is smallest side. No other side is smaller than AB. So when now I compare AB and BC, I'll definitely write that AB is less than BC, because remember AB is the smallest side. The angle opposite AB will be C, will be 4. So angle 4 will be less than the angle opposite BC will be 1. So angle 4 will be less than angle 1. It's angle 1. And the reason will be angle opposite longer side is greater. So write this as equation 1. This one I'll put as equation 1. We go to the other triangle. Go to triangle ADC. Now in ADC, it's given to us that DC is the longest side. So no other side is longer than DC. So if I mark DC here, this is DC, and I compare it with another side, say AD, I will definitely write AD will be less than DC, because DC is the longest side. Now opposite AD is angle 4. So angle 4 will be less. Just to go over it again, it was opposite AD was angle 3, not angle 4, angle 3. So we'll write angle 3 is less than opposite DC is angle 2. So this is angle 2. So it will be greater than, less than angle 2. And the reason? Angle opposite the longer side is greater. So this is my second equation. I'm going to add both this equation 1 and 2. So my angle 1 says 4. Equation 1 says angle 4 is greater than angle 1, and here angle 3 is greater than angle 2. And when I add it up, I get angle 4 plus angle 3 is greater than angle 1 plus angle 2. Look up at the figure and see what is 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 is angle C, and 2 plus 1 is angle A. So I get angle C is less than angle A. This is what angle A is greater than angle C, is the same as angle C is less than angle A. For the second part, I need to join BD, and I need to mark here, this is angle 5, 6, 7, 8. And remember which was the smallest. AB was the smallest and DC is the longest. And we carry on the same process. In the first case, we'll take triangle ADC. So now in triangle ABD, we know AB is the longest side. So we write AB is the smallest side. So no other side is smaller than AB. So when I compare AB and AD, I will write AB less than AD, because AB is the smallest or shortest side. And opposite AB, I have the angle 5, and opposite AD I have angle 8. Therefore, I'll have angle 5, which is opposite AB, less than angle 8, which is opposite AD. The reason angle opposite shorter side is smaller. This will be my equation 3. Now I'll do the same process for triangle BDC. Again in BDC, we know that DC is the longest. So no other side is longer than DC. So if I were to compare these two sides, if I were to compare DC and BC, I need to write that BC is less than DC because DC is the longest side. The opposite BC will be angle C, or angle 6, and opposite DC will be angle 7 here. So angle 6 will be less than angle 7. Angle opposite shorter side is smaller. This is equation 4. Now I need to add up my equations. So one equation was angle 5 is less than angle 8 and angle 6 is less than angle 7. So when I add up, I get angle 5 plus angle 6 is less than angle 8 plus angle 7. If we go up here, we have angle 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6 is this entire angle, that is angle D, will be less than 8 plus 7 is this entire angle, that is angle B.